Welcome to another edition of Softbrik tutorials by Softbrik. Today we are going to learn about the most exciting feature that Softbrik survey offers to you, that is capturing voice messages from your survey responders through their browsers in the survey. Now, how does voice help us over text? It helps us in three critical ways. First of all, when your users are talking, they tend to share a lot more information in the same 10 or 15-second time window versus texting. Imagine now I'm telling you all these. If I try to type it, it would take me 15-20 minutes, right? So voice gives you a lot more insights. That's one. Secondly, we live in the age of text fatigue. We are typing all through the day on our phones, on our laptops. Here, just by taking voice message, you tend to make life easier for your end users and your response rate goes up. That's why you see so many people now using more and more voice messages on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and all these messenger channels. That's the second reason. And third reason, when you accept voice message, your users have a lot more freedom to talk about the stuff they care for, and this reduces your designer bias in the survey. Now, most surveys have inherently our designer bias because we give drop downs, etc., where users have to just choose what we think are the right experience for them. But reducing designer bias often helps to innovate in the long term because you understand user needs that otherwise you would have never thought of. So these three things: A, users can give more information via voice; B, it is easier for them and less text fatigue; and C, it reduces designer bias. So how to create a voice input? Let's get right into it. As usual, click on Softbrik. Let's get to a sample survey. Builder will add the voice element, and this is the voice input here. So the question can be like, what is your true feeling about the product? And that's it. Once this survey is complete, the users are going to see a voice icon, and you can also add multiple voice input on the same form. So it can be like, what can we do to keep you buying this product, right? So we basically try to understand what is the biggest priority for your customers. That's it. So now we preview, and here you see both voice message options are available on the browser for your users to respond. So the users will just click and talk. There's a small pause. I feel great about this product. I am quite happy to use it, and I think I am going to consider using it for the future. And you see the voice message has been uploaded. As a customer, I would like to see some color variations. If I get a red color version of this product, I'm gonna continue buying it in the future. And that's it. So your users have just clicked and answered, and then they press submit, and that's done. So you see, this way you can take so much more information in such a shorter span of time for your users. It's easier for them, and you get a lot more open-ended information that goes into our backend. You can download it in the form of a CSV and do the analysis, but also in the analytics screen, you can see all the qualitative context, which will be highlighted. And we are going to talk about that more in our analytics tutorial. We hope that you enjoyed this short tutorial. Keep using our surveys and keep taking voice inputs from your customers. Go for it.